Go ahead.
Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Thursday morning here, April 1st, and we're going to talk to you about the grain markets here in the next minute or two. Okay, RJO Futures, we did a real nice special grain report yesterday on the crop progress, or the crop report, the acres report, and stocks report. So go to our website and sign up for that, or if you want me to send it to you, I'll send it to you, but it's an excellent report here. The first chart of corn here I'm going to put in front of you, and corn, we did gap higher overnight on this bullish report yesterday, so corn is really, really good at going back down and filling these gaps. So maybe that's what's going to happen here. First, corn will come back down, fill the gap, and then can resume trading higher. So soybeans, they did a gap higher last night, but already went back and filled that gap. So as we speak, soybeans are down 7 and corn is up 10. We are closed tomorrow for Good Friday, so we'll resume grain trading Sunday night, 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. Okay, yesterday the acres report, they're just not there that everybody talked about, and corn down 2.1 than expected, and soybeans down 2.4 million acres than expected. This 87.6 million acres is a bullish surprise in soybeans, and this really sets up for just a real explosive situation, and the function of the markets now is to trade to higher prices and buy all the acres that they can. So again, first chart of corn, we did gap higher, so things look a little frothy. Look for that to come down and fill that gap here in the days ahead. Soybeans, chart trending higher here. You know, Bloomberg had an article on Wednesday, and the article, one fix to the food inflation, U.S. farmers planning more than ever here. So, here we go. We got to get these acres in the ground here. It's April now. Weather looks okay here going forward, and we'll just kind of see how this all comes together. A lot of these acres that I read about are going to come from North Dakota. And remember a couple of weeks ago, the prairies of Canada had the driest 5 weeks on record here. So it's dry, and if these 2-3 million acres of corn, for example, come from North Dakota, they're already prone to dry weather scenario here. So we'll kind of keep talking about that. We do have a new USDA agricultural chief, Vilsack, and he signs off on all of these reports. So no one really trusts the USDA with numbers, and we all know they can, reach for a magical rabbit and pull a rat out of the hat here. So again, the agricultural secretary, Vilsack, he does sign off on these reports. So the function of the market here in the coming weeks is to encourage larger grain and corn bean acreage, also encourage more wheat feeding, and then squeeze the soy processing margins. We're running out of soybeans to crush, so soybean crush is going to slow down. We're crushing soybeans for soybean oil now, and when the crush slows, you're going to have less stocks of soybean meal, a more bullish scenario for soybean meal. So happy Easter from all of us here at RJO Futures to all of you, and let's have an excellent weekend.